Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss judgment, decree and order with examples. The very first is judgment, which is defined under section 2 clause 9 of CPC. A judgment is the judge's detailed explanation of why the court is deciding a certain way. It includes the facts, legal reasoning and conclusions. For example, let's say A files a suit against B for recovery of 1 lakh rupees. After hearing both the sides, the judge explains A gave the loan, B failed to repay. Now evidences support A based on this reasoning. The judge says A is entitled to recover the money. This written explanation is the judgment. The second one is decree, which is defined under 2 clause 2 of CPC. A decree is the formal declaration of the result of the suit. It follows the judgment and finally determines the rights of the parties. For example, in the same case, after giving the judgment, the court passes a decree that the defendant B shall pay 1 lakh to plaintiff A with 6% of interest. This decree may be preliminary if further proceedings like partition, accounts, etc. are needed. And final, when nothing remains. The third one is order, which is defined under 2 clause 14 of CPC. And the meaning is, an order is any formal decision by the court that is not a decree. Orders are usually on procedural or interim matters. For example, in the same case, B asks the court to dismiss the suit, saying it's filed in the wrong jurisdiction. The court rejects this application. That rejection is an order. Another example, A files an application for temporary injunction to stop B from selling property during the trial. If the court accepts or rejects it, that is also an order. I will give you a simple analogy. Judgment is the teacher's reasoning behind why a student passed or failed. Decree, the final report card that says pass or fail. An order, when the teacher stops a student from cheating during an exam. It's a procedural step, not a final result. Thank you so much. I hope this video is informative for you all.